Thousands of brilliant doctors are staying invisible online. Do you know why? It is not because they are unskilled. It is because no one ever taught them in their medical school how to build a brand. In today's world, yes, your medical degree is respected, but it is your online presence, your online voice that opens the real doors. If you are not branding yourself, you are being forgotten. Hey there, welcome back to MEDxCEO. I'm Kavi Yadav, an NHPC registered general medicine assistant and full scholarship awardee in hospital and healthcare management at Pokhara University. So today in this video, I'll share you 3 simple steps that you can build your strong personal brand. So don't miss any parts of this video and watch the video till the end. So the first step is define your niche. It means choose your specific area of interest. If you don't know what is your specific area of interest, then just sit quietly and ask yourself, what do I want to be known for? What is that one particular topic in which I can talk continuously for hours without feeling exhausted? It may be women's health, skin care, mental health, nutrition and fitness guidance, lifestyle medicine. So identify your own specific area of interest. And once you have identified your needs, then combine it with your personality. And if you combine your specific area of interest with your personality and values, then it will give your brand more focus and more clarity. So once if you have identified your needs, then the next step is to start posting your content. For posting your content, you have to follow these steps. So first of all, you have to pick one platform. Either it's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and then create your own account in that platform. So it's very simple. You can add your professional name and one professional headset. You can write your bio. So your bio should be short and catchy. After completing your account, your task is to share most valuable and simple information for your audience that your audience would care about. And always remember, your goal is to educate, inspire, motivate, provide the valuable information to your audience, not to sell out or just doing the show off. And the most important part is not to do overthink. If you are not feeling comfortable in the beginning, then don't record long video. You can just record 15 seconds of video and post it. Don't do overthink. Now, the last step is be consistent, not the perfect. It means you don't need to post your video every day or have a fancy videos, fancy editing. No, you don't need that. Just show up yourself consistently in a consistent manner because any platform, either it's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, right, all these platforms support those creators who show up themselves consistently in that platform and provide the valuable things in those platforms. Your consistency will help you to build strong trust more than just trying to be perfect. So I can understand from maintaining the consistency, especially for the busy doctor, it is very difficult. So don't worry, here is the key for you. The key is to choose the realistic posting schedule that you can maintain consistently for a long term without burning out. That's enough to enhance your visibility and build your strong trust over the time. And never forget one thing. If you posted one video and later when you start watching that video and you think this video is not perfect, then don't try to delete that video. Learn from that video and keep going. So always remember, personal branding is not about being famous. It is about being found and trusted. So start small, stay real, and you will grow your brand step by step. And now, if you are ready to take your real first step toward building your own personal brand, then please drop your comment with your specialty in the comment sections. I'll personally give you one focused content idea that you can post this week. So that's it. And if this video gave you the value, then please do subscribe, tap on the bell icon, and be the part of this future focused community. So see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.